Are you tired of clicking through the Google Admin Console hundreds of times just to update or create multiple entries? Meet SheetOps, the Google Sheets add-on that lets you manage your Workspace directory at spreadsheet speed. To remove group members in bulk, open your Google Sheet and go to Extensions, SheetOps, Members. If you want to pull existing members from a group to review and remove them, select Fetch Members. Since I already have my group and member email pairs ready, I will select just the sheet to create a blank template. Before removing anyone, let's check the current member counts for our groups in the Google Admin Console. In this demo, we will remove 2 members from both the engineering and leadership groups and 1 member each from marketing and operations. Let's paste these group and member email pairs into the template. Next, change the value in the status column to remove. You can use the drag to fill handle to quickly copy this status across all rows. To remove these accounts from the group, we need to check the boxes in the Apply Changes column. You can click and drag across the checkboxes or select the first checkbox, hold Shift and click the last one. Then press spacebar to toggle all selected checkboxes at once. In the confirmation dialog, select No, since we are updating existing memberships rather than adding new ones. SheetOps will remove the members one by one and log the real-time status in the changelog column. Now, let's switch back to the Google Admin Console and refresh the page. As you can see, the group member counts have updated to reflect our removals. SheetOps directly connects with official directory APIs from your Google Sheet for data fetching and update. Hence, none of your data leaves your Google account. SheetOps will connect with its backend server only to verify your license status. Install SheetOps now from Google Workspace Marketplace. Link in the description below.